Let's see how to add custom words to your dictionary in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, some words under this line are highlighted in red. And that is because they aren't counted as words included in the current language or the dictionary of your Microsoft Word. Now, to add these custom words, first highlight them. Now copy to get their spelling. Now click on the File tab and click on Options. From here, click on Proofing and click on the Custom Dictionaries button. Now click Edit Word List and just simply paste that word that you copied. Click Add, OK, and OK again. And as you can see, the word that we highlighted is no longer marked in red, meaning that it has been added to the dictionary. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.